Hello everyone. I think I am finally finished, well, at least to a point where I'm ready to give like a little mini tour of our reorganized library and classroom space. So I just put, let's see, nothing is new over here except I took out some activities to go over there. I think I showed these a little bit earlier in the pandemic when I just kind of went redecorating crazy. And so I put up some fall decorations here. I've got some STEM kits and games and things up there. These are picture frames that I am going to add some of our favorite scriptures to hang around in the classroom. But let's see. That's pretty much it. These plaques that are on the wall, I made those out of the boards that Xavier breaks at Taekwondo. I glued them back together with some wood glue, spray painted them, and I put them up on the wall. So they're actually there to showcase the kids' artwork. So as they do different types of paintings, drawings, or whatever, I'm able to hang them up like I did these. This is one of the paintings that Xavier did. But for now, I just put some leaves to decorate for fall. And so we've got two big comfy chairs. I love these oversized comfy chairs, and I think my kiddos are going to really enjoy that. This is our Lego table. I started to get rid of the Lego table, but then decided, you know what, where am I going to put all this Lego? So decided to keep it. We kind of use it as a game table and play different games and things on there. This is my game shelf, chess, a lot of other game things. Oh, what I didn't show is what I like about these ottomans is that they are storage. So I've kind of thrown in some extra books and different things like that, teacher supplies and containers and all that other good stuff in here. Nothing major in there. And in the classroom, this is completely different. Well, the space in here is completely different. I took down, I had a huge wall. This whole wall was a dry erase board. I took that down, painted, and decided I didn't want a dry erase board wall any longer. So instead, this year's theme is travel around the world. And so I've got my map up along with a whole bunch of other pictures of different places around the world. Couple of I repainted the bookshelves that were here, and so those are freshly painted, and it's got a few activities and things on them. I haven't taken out everything because I'm trying to have a minimal space. Like, that was the idea behind this whole classroom, is to have it minimally spaced, you know. But anyway, here's one computer center or computer area because there's an outlet there. And this is the other computer or laptop area because there's an outlet there. So I thought that would be better to have them near there. And so this is a student's desk. I have a couple of things that I need inside the desk, but the student can sit there. What's new inside here is a couch. So this will be a great space for the kiddos to sit. There aren't any chairs because my kids typically don't like to sit in chairs. And so I have underneath, we have yoga balls. So we use these instead. And they fit nicely and snugly up underneath without rolling all over the floor. So there's actually 3 yoga balls up underneath there. So that actually works better, strengthens their core and all that other good stuff. And so I'm using these 2 desks as end tables for the couch, and these are science books that they can sit and read and all that other good stuff. And this shelf has just some paper, art supplies, what do you call these things, clipboards, and then my sanitation station over here with tissue and all that other good stuff. And this cabinet's always been here, and it just has a bunch of art supplies, art stuff, and you know, things like that. And on top as well, there's like a few things on top. And this is my classroom space. And well, we can't see outside, but outside we have the, we're also going to be using the deck area outside as well. And here I have hanging are my cages and keys. These are some common phrases that we hear kids say all the time. I can't, I don't know. And so I was reading this book earlier this year. I forget the name of it. Once I think of it, I will post it in the comments. But in any case, I just thought it was fantastic how the book indicated that we should give children a way out of using these cages all the time. So I can't becomes I could if I, and so basically just redirecting, you know, them to using these phrases instead of using these. So instead of saying I don't know, it becomes I'll find out. I hate or I dislike becomes I prefer, and I wish becomes I'll make a plan. And so these are the keys. And so we kind of want to teach them that. And this is a magnetic door. And because it's white, it was a lot of white space here after I repainted. So I just kind of wanted to put something here. And these, I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're just these magnetic picture frames. And I went on Teachers Pay Teachers and printed out a few of these 4x6 sayings and quotes and all that other good stuff. And I thought that would be fun to, you know, just kind of put up there. I do plan to use this as a word wall. Well, not a word wall. I have these, what do you call those things? These poetry, magnetic poetry words that will go on the door, and they'll be able to use it as a, you know, way to play with words and things like that. And because I took away all the posters from the wall, I have here a way that I can use my posters just as like a flip chart. And so I just put them on rings and stuck them on the door. And this door is supposed to actually be painted gray, which is why it's not painted white, because the room is gray, white, and blue. So I have yet to actually paint this door. So I guess I'll get around to it at some point in time. But I think that is about all there is to show you guys. If you see something that you'd like me to expand a little bit more on. Oh, let me talk about my little, or this big globe ball. This is you can actually write on this with a dry erase marker. And so the idea is that they would come over here and be able to try to find each location on the globe and write the name of it on the globe. And so it's actually going to be stored in the library in one of the corners. And so this will be an area as well where they can play with some of these puzzles. United States puzzle and world puzzle here. And I have a couple more somewhere around in different places. So, but that's about it. That's our germ guardian. So it's cleaning the air in here. And this is our classroom economy board. So basically, these are all the group rewards. Each Monday, the kids come in, they get $5 allowance. They earn bonus bucks. We call them bonus bucks. So they get $5 bonus bucks allowance. And they get to earn more bonus bucks by different things that they do around the homeschool, completing their schoolwork, helping another student, or, you know, just any little thing can earn them, well, not any little thing, but, you know, certain things that they do can definitely earn them bonus bucks. And so on Fridays, we have our banking days, and that will be the day that they have to divide all of their money that they earned for the week into 3 different categories: savings, spending, and giving. The savings goes up here at the top, and that's where I'll add all of each student's savings together, and that will be the amount in the bank that will go towards the group rewards. And their giving is sort of like giving to charity, paying their tithes. And so that goes back to me, basically, essentially. It's just practiced with giving. And then their spending is money that they actually get to keep for themselves and purchase something that is on the individual rewards list. Okay, so they can have an extra recess, a fruit smoothie, tablet time, free time ticket, PS3 time, or a sweet treat, something like that. And we may add one or two more. I usually leave these blank, for them to tell me some things that they'd like to add. And so it's quite expensive because I don't want it to be too easy to get to, but it's easy enough for them to earn each week. The group rewards are Park Day, Game Day, Dollar Tree, Fun Foods Friday, Free Day, and Movie Day. Okay, and they'll get to choose from there. All right, that is about all. This closet is filled with a bunch of stuff. That is, I guess you can consider this to be organized. I think I do. But up here is a bunch of paper products. Over here, I've got, these are boxes where I had some of my fall decorations. And on the door here, I've got more school supplies that I can just grab really quickly, because the big box of school supplies is in that box down at the bottom that says housekeeping, but there's no housekeeping things in there. It's just school supplies. And so this is where I keep a lot of extra activities and things. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that the video is so long. If you'd like to see a list of some of the games that we play, I'll make another video of that at another time. So just I put that in the comments if that's what you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.